Welcome into a Titch Beer Bunk 420 beer review. We have a Sawdust Brewing Company beer here. So Sawdust City Brewing Company. Yep. We have Red Rocket Coffee Spiced Stout. 5.3% alcohol. .35 IBU. Okay, these other initials, I don't know what they are with their numbers, whatever. Brewed with skilled hands and passionate hearts. You take a few cautious steps towards the Red Rocket. You are fixtured on its beauty. The calm you felt for years of training slowly gives way to nervous excitement. You are being propelled by anticipation and new courage. You know your next steps are into uncharted territory, into the unknown. You approach the Red Rocket. Your hand reaches out and you grab hold. The first cautious sip, then a swig, and lift off. Welcome to the future. Sawdust City Brewing, Gravenhurst. Pure Muskoka water, Canadian two-row barley, Crystal 120, Victoria chocolate, Caraform dark chocolate, roasted barley, and oats for the barley malt. Magnum hops, California ale yeast. Flavors: cinnamon, coffee, cayenne, and vanilla. So this is the Sawdust City Brewing Company Red Rocket Coffee Spice Stout at 5.3%. Let's give it a whirl. Whoa, I think I might smell the cayenne pepper from a distance. And it's filled right to the top. It's an overfill. It's like there's no freaking room. It's almost overflowing. Oh, it's basically you're smelling the stout and the cayenne pepper. Stout smells and cayenne smell. That kind of really smells. Like it really comes out and it's not bad. A little odd. It's not normal in the stout. Like it's not like in all stouts, but yeah. Cheers. I can hear some pissing as I'm pouring it up. Yeah, another beer that's jet black. Don't, I can see little bits of carbonation, but can't really tell. Not a lot of head, but it's more coffee, like it's very light brown. Almost kind of white if I look at it with it in front of me. Bubbly and fading a bit, but kind of staying too. A little bit of this smell that just brings to me cold stout, but the cayenne really stands out. Chocolate smell now. Maybe a little bit of roasted smell, but that cayenne really stands out. So let's taste this Red Rocket juice. Even before I swallowed it, when I was just starting to kick it around my mouth, I could tell it was going to play heavy on the cayenne. And it plays freaking heavy on the cayenne, but not in the most enjoyable way. The beer itself, it just kind of like dries out instantly. It's a little sour. It's bitter from the roastedness, but not completely roasted tasting. And it's almost like I got this quickly dried out beer that's sticky, cherry like somehow, and then heavy on the cayenne. and not done in an enjoyable way. This wouldn't be my favorite coffee stout, wouldn't be my favorite stout, and it wouldn't be my favorite beer with hot peppers in it. So the handful I've had by now. Just kind of bland and dries out and bitter and heavy on the cayenne. Uh, well, all I knew was a rip. I almost turned the video to stop. It's like, man, a little disappointed with this one. But looking them up on like Facebook, Sawdust City seems pretty fucking interesting brewery. For other things they do and what have you. And I like to make a bunch of beers with quite a huge kick that get you drunk and shit too. If you're looking to try beers that'll get you fucking drunk, they seem to have some. But this one's only 5.3%. Yeah, that cayenne just really stands out.